In this video, we will go through the new features and changes introduced in the new OnStyle 3.2 update. Export anonymized document. For security reasons, this feature lets you export your document with all comments and track changes items anonymized. These items' contents will be completely preserved, but their original author's name is erased. Instead of the original author's name, the default username of the document configuration will be attached to comments and track changes items. Furthermore, the module replaces the creator and last modified by properties of the document with the default author name specified in the inventory. Improved Convert Style tool. In previous versions, when the Convert Style tool was launched as a fix from the results pane to fix a non-standard style issue, the tool fixed all issue instances with the same style in the results pane. Execution is now allowed in multiple cycles, meaning the style conversion can be performed individually for each instance. Batch conversion is still available by applying the fix to the issue group. Improved Header and Footer Manager. Managing headers and footers is easier with the new Header and Footer Manager tool. The user interface is now a dockable pane. This allows the uninterrupted and continuous editing of the document with the Header and Footer Manager open on the side. The functionality of the tool has also been expanded with various features. It is now possible to differentiate between first, odd, and even pages during the configuration. A live preview of the headers and footers has also been added. The view target can be changed using the tabs above the preview. It is now also possible to apply the header and footer settings to specific parts of the document, and not only to the whole document, which was the only option in previous OnStyle versions. Specifically, it is now possible to insert the header and footer data into either the selected section, the entire document, or from the current section to the end of the document. From the tool, it is now also possible to read the header and footer settings of a section of the document, modify it if needed, then apply it to another section of the document. New inspection modules and correction modules. Comment Not Anonymized. This inspection checks the document for comments and reports those where the author of the comment is not anonymized. Link to dedicated target. Health authority guidance may require active web links to be placed in the document with predetermined hyperlink text and target. The module checks if all configured hyperlinks exist and are correct in the document. Page number missing. This new inspection reports all sections of the document where the header or footer does not contain a page number. Page numbers are usually required by company style guides or health authority rules. Only the title page may act as an exception for certain document types. Tracked change not anonymized. This inspection checks the document for track changes entries and reports those where the author of the change is not anonymized. Invalid USPI document structure. The FDA requires U.S. labeling documents to contain a predefined structure with the following document parts: highlights, TOC, and FPI. The module tries to find the three main parts of a USPI labeling document and reports an issue for each missing part. Boxed warning issue. This new module checks the existence and length of a boxed warning in the highlights section of the USPI document. It reports the boxed warning if it does not meet the USPI requirements or is missing. Column number issue. The inspection module checks the TOC, the highlights, and the FPI sections in the document for the number of columns. It reports an issue if the highlights and the TOC section is not the required 2-column format and if the FPI is not single-column format. Column spacing issue. The inspection checks the uniformity of column widths in multi-column sections such as the TOC and highlights. It reports sections where the column spacing settings do not comply with the pre-configured values within the USPI document. The corresponding correction module adjusts the column spacing to the value specified in the configuration. RMC Issue. This new inspection checks if the recent major changes section is present in the highlights section of a USPI document. It's required to start with a pre-configured heading text and to contain text-based information, along with its corresponding date data in table or table-like format. Document property value issue. Most companies use properties in the document templates, such as title, subject, keywords, etc., to identify the document's topic or contents. In more complex cases, however, custom properties might be used for document management processes. If the user changes the value of these properties, it can cause exceptions in the document management processes. The module finds and lists those document properties which do not have the required value. Required properties, along with the required values and other allowed values, are configured in the docconfig based on company requirements. The regarding correction module sets the wrong document property settings to the required values. DocDefaults Present. Custom default formatting settings in the normal template can result in unexpected formatting applied in documents based on the same template. These default settings are stored in the so-called DocDefaults element, which is a container for these defaults. The inspection finds and lists all entries of the DocDefaults, except those listed as exceptions. You can learn more about these changes on our website, linked in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for additional updates and information about OnStyle.